In this video, we're going to learn how to be very selective about what we are actually printing. By default, when you press Ctrl P, Excel will print only the active sheet, but it will print the entire sheet. We can change this and, for example, choose we only want certain pages, or we want to print the entire workbook or only a selection of information. If we go ahead and make a selection of information and then press Ctrl P and then choose to print only that selection, that is all that will be printed. However, if we have to do the following, for example, the boss asks to please print the commission structure, the actual sales per month, as well as the actual rate achieved, all three of these tables, we'd have to go and make the selection, press print, choose the selection, and then come back and redo it for each new table. And that would simply take too long. What we're going to learn now is how to create a print area and add different pieces of information to the print area to achieve this. So simply move to the Page Layout tab, move down to Print Area, and you'll see that there are two options. Number one, to set the print area, and number two, to clear the print area. So I'm just going to press Clear, and let's start from afresh. I'm going to select all of this information, move to Print Area, and say Set. Now I'm going to move to the next table, and now you'll notice when we go back up to Print Area, there is an additional option for Add to the print area. And we'll do that for the final table here. And now when we press Ctrl P for print, and even if we choose to print the entire sheet, it will only print the information that was in the print area. We can make a few changes to the scaling, making sure that everything fits. And now you'll notice we've got 3 pages, and each was related to the print area that we created. In addition to this, you are able to, for example, print individual charts. Once you select a chart and press Ctrl P, you have the option to print only the selected chart. And now if you want to return back and print absolutely everything, remember to simply clear the print area, or when you go into Ctrl P, you can choose to ignore the print area and print absolutely everything. So hopefully those techniques will help you to be very selective in the information that you're actually printing, and thereby saving pages and ink. We'll see you in the next video.